Different groups of animals. What are the different features of different groups of animals? Animals can be sorted into 6 different groups: birds, reptiles, insects, fish, and amphibians. Birds. All birds have wings, a beak, and 2 legs. They have feathers as the outer covering. They lay eggs with hard shells. Although most birds can fly, some birds such as penguins and ostrich are unable to fly. Mammals. All mammals have fur or hair on their body. Most mammals give birth to their young ones and they feed on their mother's milk. Some mammals live in water. These mammals cannot breathe underwater like fish do because they do not have gills. All they use is lungs to breathe, just like other mammals. All reptiles have skin covered in dry scales. Most reptiles lay eggs with leathery shells. Their young hatch out of the eggs on land. Most insects reproduce by laying eggs. The body of all insects is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. They have a pair of antennae on their heads. The diagram below shows the body parts of an insect. Fish. All fish live in water. They have a tail and fins to help them swim around. Their bodies are covered in scales. They use gills to breathe. Most fish reproduce by laying eggs in water. Amphibians. Amphibians have moist skin without scales. They reproduce by laying eggs in water. When the young hatch out of the eggs, they breathe with their gills. As they grow into adults, they develop lungs to help them breathe on land.